Hello everyone, welcome to HackerHeap. In this video, we will look into how to set up your development environment for WordPress in your local. Setting up WordPress has been so tough all the way, but I'm going to show you how to set that up in less than 5 minutes. So go to localwp.com. Local is, as it shows, is the #1 WordPress development tool. And it's free, of course. There is a pro version, but the one we are going to do is with a free version. It's so easy with a couple of clicks. So go to localwp.com and download a free version and get started. To save some time, I have already downloaded my local. So how do you set up? Let's say you want to first develop the local WordPress website on your local. All you need to do is go to this interface, click add. What's your site name? My site name is HackerHeap. Alrighty, and there are some advanced operations. So it shows up on your local. It comes up as like hackerheap.local, and all the files related to this will be saved at this location. If you want to change it, you can browse and change to a different location. But for now, I'll just keep it as it is. So create a site from blueprint is basically it sets up this. Local will set up your site with a basic blueprint of WordPress. So if you don't want to do that, you can choose like don't use a blueprint. That's it. Continue. So it shows the basic versions of PHP. I mean the default versions of the WordPress PHP, a MySQL version and everything, and the web server would be like Nginx. If you want to do custom, you can select which version of PHP you want, which version of web server do you want, and which version of database do you want. So I'll take the preferred version. Continue. Okay, set this up. HackerHeap, WordPress site. Hello. So WordPress email should be it. Add the site. That's it. It's gonna set up the site, and within no time your local setup for your WordPress site will be up. Give my password. It has set up your local site, local WordPress site. So if you want to go there, if you want to do some admin changes, you can go to admin or open site. Let me first open the site, which takes me to hackerheap.local, and it already set up this site. Now I want the admin portal to be open. So go to the admin portal. I give the username HackerHeap. I give a password. There you go. It's that easy. You don't have to have an Nginx server or an Apache server or anything like that, or any other WordPress setup. Local will take care of all that setup for you. You don't have to install your database or anything. It will be already installed. So now you can go here, the database, utilities, tools. So there are some but you don't need all of those. It is that easy. So whenever you make changes to your local site, local code, it will automatically replicate. So if you don't want to run the site, just go ahead and stop it. So there you go. You stop the server, and if you go back and try to do this, there is no more, the server is no more there because you already shut down the server. It's that easy to set up. I hope it's helpful. If you're new here, please do like and subscribe to the channel HackerHeap. Thank you.